Introduce features or interest of POVAVIE Tumbler Heat Press, 11 to 30 ounces, General Purpose, 110-volt Thermal Transfer Cup Baker. Intelligent LED temperature control and timer control for easy operation, DIY unique cup for you. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Introduce features or interest include: this heat press is suitable for cups of different capacities, including 11, 15, 16, 20 and 30 ounces straight and tumbler cups, making it a versatile DIY heat transfer tool. The heat press machine is equipped with smart LED temperature control and timer control function, which ensures that you can easily set the temperature and time suitable for different cups. This heat press machine is easy to operate. Just print the design pattern or image onto the sublimation paper, put the sublimation paper wrapped cup into the machine, set the temperature and time, and wait for a while. The tumbler heat press adopts high temperature and high pressure embossing methods, which can produce high quality embossing effects in a short time, ensuring that your DIY mug is unique. This heat press machine adopts a portable design, which can be easily moved and stored, allowing you to do DIY creation anytime and anywhere. In addition, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell. Look for all press to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you for watching.